Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. And what we do here is a lot of different makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup looks, makeup reviews. I don't know, just really anything related to makeup. And today we're going to be doing another makeup unboxing. This is the October LASHY Box. I spilled coffee on it. I got it a couple of days ago, but I've been like dying with really bad headaches, like migraines, been like really getting me. And then I'm just now sitting down to film this. So I wanted to wait to open it with you guys, of course. So I don't know what's in it. I haven't looked at no sneak peeks or nothing like that. So it is called LASHY Box, as you can tell. It is a lash subscription. And I have to say, these are some of my favorite lashes. LASHY Box makes some killer lashes. I think this one is like $12.99 a month. I'm not really sure about the prices. I will put it down in the description box, the price, and if it's got shipping and handling. I believe it does. So I will put that all down in the description box below. But they make some really killer lashes. You can get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes. I have always got 4 pairs of lashes in my boxes, so I always just say I get 4 pairs when I'm talking to somebody about it. And I really like it, and you really get your money's worth, and you'll get a couple. Normally, sometimes you get like, we used to get 2 makeup items. Lately, if you get a palette, you've only been getting 1. Ever since they like started their bigger box, they do have different subscription boxes. They have the extra large now, they have the drama, they have the mini, they have an all lash box, if that's what you want. But they do make some really good lashes. So this time we got some more Jackie Loves lashes. I absolutely love her lashes. They are Flux Mink lashes. We did get 2 pairs of them. But let's talk about this pair first. They're long. I really like them. And they are called Fire. I love big lashes. That's just me. 9 times out of 10, I want a dramatic look, so I need some dramatic lashes. Sometimes I do like a toned down look. Not very often, but sometimes I do. Sometimes I will tone it down and I want a nice little pair of lashes, but normally I want something like these. Them are gorgeous. And they got like really good bands. They're really easy to put on. So, really like these. The next pair is called Snack. And they're like really dramatic. Let's take them out. It's easier to see them when they're not behind plastic. So, really like these. They're really good full lashes. And they just got that little extra. But I always loved every pair of Jackie Loves I've ever got and put on. I have absolutely been in love with them. So, really like these. And we got a sucker because it is October. It's Halloween. So, I'll give that to the kiddos. Okay. Then, we got some LASHY Box lashes. These are called Pumpkin. Oh my God, I love these. So, they're like, I see some red, orange, maybe some yellow, purple, like every color going on in there. Like on camera, you can like really see the yellow and the orange and the red, and you can kind of see the purple. I love these. I don't know where I'm going to wear these to, but I am going to wear them. And if I have to make a video just to wear them, I will do that because I love these. Okay, we could make like a candy corn look, and the lashes would be like, yes. Okay, before we get to any makeup, we did get another pair by Ruby May Cosmetics, which Ruby May Cosmetics, I guess they do have the same owner as LASHY Box. It's the same woman. So these are their premium 3D lashes. These are 3D silk lashes. I forgot that. So these are the premium 3D lashes. And I do like Ruby May's lashes too. They're really, really good. And I really like them. They're not as full like the pair from Jackie Love, but these are like, I'll have to cut these down a lot to go on my eye, but these are gorgeous. Love them. I think this is my favorite pair. Okay, so then we got a Tootsie Roll. Then we got a Pixie Stick. And we got a Zola Lashes. This is Magic Lash Liner. So I know what this is, because I've been looking about getting me one, and this popped up in the thing. Okay, so this is their Magic Lash Liner, and as you guess, if you guessed, you know what it is. You might already know what it is, and some of you may not know. So this is a liner that I cannot get open, but at the same time, you're like getting 2 steps into one. This is a liner / glue. So you put it on, and you can put your lashes right on top of it. It's not like for magnetics, lashes, or anything like that. It is actually glue. So, I cannot get it open. I've been debating on get one or not from Zola, but I looked at some other ones. But this did pop up, and I did read about it. So, like I said, it's not like for magnetic lashes. It is for, like, these lashes or any other lash I have. I guess you put it on just like an eyeliner, and I don't know if you shake it. It's got little things. Okay. And you just put there it is. You just put it on like, and it's sticky. I feel it. I don't know. So it is called Magic Lash Liner. So that is pretty cool. I do like the concept. Because that's like, if you're rushing, that will like take out a step. Because you're just going to, and it feels like it's drying down pretty fast. It's already like, it's tacky. It's something I think you'd have to work really fast with. Because it's pretty much, I don't know, might be worth touching it. I don't know. I think the way it feels, you'd have to work really fast with it. It don't feel tacky no more. I don't know. I'm kind of excited about trying it. I don't know how it's going to work. I cannot wait. I will update you guys on it if you want to know. Okay, so this is our last item. We did get 2 makeup items, and we did get another one by Beauty Creations. This is their Splash of Hues Volume 1. They are cruelty-free. And it does have a good mirror. And it's got some of my favorite colors in here. We got a red, we got orange, we got blues, we got greens, and pinks and purples. I love it. Okay, let's do the first row. Purple twist, yellow bee, orange burst. Look at that. Oh my God. That is swatching so good. Look how bright them are. I cannot wait to get these on my eyes. Magnet Kiss. Sky Blue. Oh my God. Blue Steel. Last row. Indigo Force. It's like a shimmer. Lime Twist. Teal Breeze. That is beautiful. I thought that was red, but that's like more like an orange color. But I do like it. There are some bright colors. And that's what I like. So, cannot wait to play with that. I think that has been out for a while, though. I think that I seen that in something here a while back. But I love that. I cannot wait to play with it. I love bright colors, and I love when they show up like that. But swatching them and putting them on the eyes are two different things. Sometimes something might swatch good and it might not like blend out good. Something might not swatch, but it might blend out good. So you really never know until you actually apply it to your eyes. I never go by swatches, no matter how good or bad they are. I like to go see how they blend out. That's how I do it. I will put, if anybody wants to try LASHY Box for themselves, I will put the link down below. And what I did say, they did have different subscriptions, you know, something for everybody if you're just a lash lover, or if you like to have a lot more makeup. They have a box for $25 and you get a lot of makeup in it. You get like 4 pairs of lashes, maybe 6, but you get a lot of makeup in it, and you get bigger palettes, and I don't know, you get a lot of stuff in it. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.